Today, I'm going to show you how to build your very own chatbot. The first step is make sure you sign up for an OpenAI account. Then you're going to go to this URL to get to the playground. Once you get to the playground, you'll see many options here. We're going to go to mode. I'm going to click the chat option in mode. Now, I'm lucky to have access to GPT-4, but if you don't, you can use the default option here. But I'm going to use GPT-4. And here we're going to program our chatbot where it says system. The chatbot can be anything, it can be a historical figure or a popular figure. In this case, I'm going to use Sam Altman, one of the co-founders of OpenAI. So I put a little blurb about the nature of the bot. And then I'm going to simply ask a question here. So I'm going to ask Sam Altman, how would he build a self-driving car? And I simply hit submit. And I wait for the answer. And while this is loading, this is how you build a chatbot, but in our course, we go more in depth into how to adjust things like the temperature, top P, frequency penalty, and what all this means. So I look forward to having you join our course and learning all this awesome stuff.